Make any woman miss you so badly by adopting these 11 things. In the complex dance of romantic relationships, fostering a sense of longing and desire in someone is both an art and a science. To make a woman miss you deeply, it's crucial to strike a balance between attraction, mystery, and genuine connection. By adopting these 11 strategies, you can ensure she feels your absence keenly and eagerly anticipates your presence. 1. Be mysterious. Mystery is one of the most powerful tools in making someone miss you. When you reveal everything about yourself too quickly, it can diminish the intrigue. A sense of mystery keeps her guessing and thinking about you, wondering what you're up to when you're not together. To cultivate mystery, consider the following tips. Share selectively. Don't feel the need to share every detail about your life immediately. Let information about you unfold naturally over time. Create intrigue. When you talk about your interests and experiences, provide just enough detail to pique her curiosity, but not so much that she knows everything. For example, if you have a hobby, mention it briefly without delving into all the specifics. Maintain a slight distance. While it's important to be present, don't always be readily available. Sometimes, let her reach out to you first. This creates a sense of anticipation and makes her wonder what you're doing when you're not together. 2. Show genuine interest and attention. When you're with her, be fully present. There's nothing more attractive than someone who listens actively, shows empathy, and engages in meaningful conversations. Demonstrating genuine interest in her life makes her feel valued and appreciated, which in turn makes her miss the connection she feels with you. Here's how to do it. Active listening. When she speaks, listen attentively. Nod, smile, and respond appropriately to show that you're engaged. Avoid interrupting and let her finish her thoughts. Ask thoughtful questions. Inquire about her day, her thoughts, and her feelings. Ask questions that show you care about her well-being and interests. Remember details. Pay attention to the details she shares with you and refer back to them in future conversations. This shows that you're not only listening but also retaining information about her life. 3. Be confident and independent. Confidence is incredibly attractive. An independent man who has his own life, interests, and goals is appealing because he doesn't rely on a woman for his happiness. When you're confident and self-sufficient, pursue your hobbies and passions. Spend time with friends and family. Focus on personal growth and professional success. Your independence will make her admire you and miss your unique energy when you're not around. 4. Create memorable experiences. Shared experiences build strong connections. Create memorable moments that she'll reminisce about when you're not together. Plan unique dates or activities that stand out from the ordinary. Adventure together. Try new things like hiking, traveling, or attending events. Personal touches. Add personal touches to your plans, like cooking her favorite meal or organizing a surprise. These memorable experiences will linger in her mind, making her miss you even more. 5. Maintain a sense of humor. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool. A man who can make a woman laugh creates a positive association that she'll miss when he's not around. Share jokes, playful banter, and lighthearted moments. Inside jokes. Develop inside jokes that only the two of you understand. Positive attitude. Maintain a positive outlook and find humor in everyday situations. Your sense of humor will leave her longing for your company and the joy you bring into her life. 6. Stay in touch, but not too much. Maintain contact without overwhelming her. The balance between presence and absence is crucial. Regular but not excessive communication keeps you on her mind. Texting. Send thoughtful texts, but avoid bombarding her with messages. Social media. Engage with her on social media, but keep it light and occasional. Phone calls. A phone call can be more intimate than a text, but use them sparingly. This balance ensures that she misses your presence without feeling smothered. 7. Be unpredictable. Predictability can lead to boredom. Add a touch of unpredictability to keep things exciting. Surprise her with unexpected gestures or spontaneous plans. Surprise visits. Show up unexpectedly with her favorite coffee or a small gift. Change plans. Occasionally change plans to something more exciting or adventurous. Unpredictability keeps the relationship fresh and makes her miss the excitement you bring. 8. Cultivate emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy deepens the connection and makes her feel closer to you. Share your thoughts, dreams, and vulnerabilities to build a strong emotional bond. Open up. Share your fears, hopes, and personal stories. Encourage her to share. Create a safe space for her to open up as well. This emotional closeness will make her miss the deep connection you share. 9. Give her space. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Giving her space to pursue her interests and spend time with friends will make her miss you more. Encourage independence. Support her in pursuing her hobbies and spending time with her friends. Take time apart. Use the time apart to focus on your own interests and growth. When she has the freedom to miss you, it strengthens the bond and makes her appreciate your presence even more. 10. Be supportive and encouraging. Show unwavering support and encouragement in her endeavors. A man who believes in her and supports her dreams is invaluable. Encourage her goals. Show interest in her ambitions and offer support. Be her cheerleader. Celebrate her achievements and provide comfort during setbacks. Your support will make her feel cherished and valued, and she'll miss your encouragement when you're not there. 11. Maintain physical attraction. Physical attraction is a key component of any romantic relationship. Take care of your appearance and health to keep the spark alive. Exercise regularly. Stay fit and healthy to maintain physical attractiveness. Dress well. Pay attention to your grooming and dress sense. Personal hygiene. Good hygiene is essential in maintaining attraction. Physical attractiveness combined with emotional and intellectual connection makes you irresistible and deeply missed.